Hi and welcome to my travel diaries. This is the Wandering Wakili. For those who do not know me, my name is Agnet and this is my travel diaries. So if you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in this particular video, I checked out of my previous hotel. If you haven't watched that video, check on my previous video. And before I went to my new hotel, I went to Dubai Dolphinarium. This is my first time ever experiencing anything like this, so it was a bit, I had mixed emotions, to be honest. It was a bit iffy. When you watch the animals, you're kind of like, it's not the natural state of these animals. But it was kind of sad and exciting, I won't lie, but I still tried and enjoyed my experience while there. So in this particular vlog, I will show you the kind of activities I was up to. I hope you enjoy this kind of vlogs. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's jump right in.
Wow!
They have a bird show within the same premises, and the tickets go for 1,462 Kenyan shillings to 1,757 Kenyan shillings, depending on where you purchase your ticket from. The bird show felt more of a kids' activity, but it was still an experience in itself. I'm not entirely opposed to it. The show was basically different bird species performing different tricks. It was interesting to see many beautiful species of birds. At the end of the show, you can take a picture with the birds at a cost, and on this day we were told that they had an offer and that for only 50 AED you were able to take pictures with 2 birds of your choice. We thought this would be individual photos, but unfortunately that was not the case and everything felt a bit rushed. Honestly, I felt con, so just a disclaimer, maybe it was just not my lucky day. Decided to visit Dubai Frame, which is 48 floors up, and the tickets go for roughly 5,000 Kenyan shillings depending on the exchange rate. From there, you're able to see the old town Dubai and the new town Dubai. It's an experience in itself. I'll highly recommend. If you're afraid of heights, I guess it can help you overcome your fear of heights. I am personally afraid of heights, but I was able to beat my fear, and I feel like it was totally worth the experience. You do not need to book a ticket prior. You might as well walk in just like we did, and you might be lucky enough to not find a long queue and be able to go right in. Once you walk in, they have a museum of some sorts. I can't lie to you that I know what was in the museum. I guess it's the history of Dubai, because I simply zoomed past through the museum because I honestly just wanted to get to the 48th floor real quick. This particular glass floor is usually foggy, and once you step on it, it becomes clear. But there were so many people in the room already who'd already stepped on the glass, and therefore it was clear all the way through, which kind of took away from the experience. So I'll highly recommend that you go there when it's not too crowded, so that you can experience the reveal. We went to Garden Glow, where they have the dinosaur park and a selfie museum. The selfie museum is quite interesting, though you have to think outside the box, but it was still fun. I would highly recommend this activity for kids, but if you want to exercise, because it's a long walk, I would also recommend this. If you've gotten this far into the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you are notified every time I post. For everyone who supported me, I want to say a big thank you. It really means a lot. And sure, watch out for part 4, I believe, of the Dubai vlog. It will be the last vlog of my activities that I did do while I was in Dubai. I sincerely hope that I showcased Dubai in the best way possible and that you're able to travel along with me virtually though. But yeah, leave your comments down below. I'd love to know your thoughts on the I did attempt to visit Dubai Museum, but unfortunately it was fully booked for the entire week until after I had left Dubai. So I would highly recommend, if you want to do this particular activity, kindly book your tickets in advance when you do know you're traveling to Dubai. I believe it's going to be a nice experience. So instead I went to Ate Museum where I had a lovely experience. I hope you enjoyed this particular vlog. If you did, leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the video, and let's see you in the next vlog. So until next time, bye.